Now to the latest in the Murdaugh mystery. Former attorney Alex Murdaugh appeared in court today for a pre-trial motion hearing. He's accused in the June 2021 shooting deaths of his wife Maggie as well as his son Paul. Our Brooke Butler tells us what unfolded inside the courtroom.
In this Colleton County courthouse Friday, prosecutors revealed what they believe Murdaugh's motive was for killing his wife Maggie and son Paul.
Allowed him to escape the accountability that was coming upon him that he's never had to deal with in his entire life.
Prosecutors insisted Friday they believe Murdaugh committed murder in an effort to cover up financial crimes. They claim when Maggie and Paul were shot and killed, Murdaugh was coming under question over missing money.
It's a day of reckoning for him. The very day that Maggie and Paul were murdered.
The defense team argued Friday that motive doesn't make sense. They asked the judge why Murdaugh would want to put himself in the middle of a murder investigation to cover up fraud. They also insisted the alleged financial crimes have no tie to the murders of Maggie and Paul and told the judge prosecutors are just trying to make Murdaugh seem like a bad person.
So there's really no marginal relevance.
The judge did not side with either the defense or the prosecution on whether financial crimes can be used as evidence in this trial and to what extent. However, he did side with the defense that the state should provide more information when it comes to blood spatter evidence collected from Murdaugh's shirt the night of the murders. He also granted a motion from the defense allowing Murdaugh to not wear shackles in the courtroom during pretrial hearings like this one as a way to prevent prejudice. The judge ended court Friday by also asking that a portrait of Murdaugh's grandfather, who served as the 14th Circuit solicitor, not be displayed in the courtroom during the murder trial. And that trial is scheduled to begin in January of 2023. Reporting in Colleton County, I'm Brooke Butler, WJCL 22 News.